Welcome to Homework Lance. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Comment below with any questions or tips you'd like to see in future videos. Here's a detailed tutorial on video ideas and editing tips specifically designed for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. These short-form videos require engaging, visually compelling, and fast-paced content that captures viewer attention in the first few seconds. Following these steps can help you grow your presence on TikTok and YouTube Shorts and keep viewers coming back for more. The key is to stay creative, adapt to trends, and put your unique spin on popular ideas. Part 1. Video Ideas, Trendy Challenges and Hashtags. Keep an eye on trending challenges by exploring TikTok's Discover page or YouTube Shorts trending section. Participate in these trends but add a personal twist. Examples: dance challenges, cooking trends, transformation videos, or reactions to trending memes. How to and quick tips. Share short tutorials or hacks that viewer can apply right away. Keep the steps simple and visually demonstrate each step. For example, cooking, show each step in 1 to 2 seconds. DIY crafts, break down the process, showcasing materials and each stage briefly. Life hacks, simple solutions like organizing tips or easy makeup tricks. Behind the scenes and day in the life. These videos work well for creators who want to show a relatable, authentic side. Day in the life, share snippets of your day, from breakfast to work. Behind the scenes, show how you create your content or give a sneak peek at your creative process. Before and after transformations. Show off results from DIY projects, makeovers, or cleaning, organizing spaces. Hook viewer with the before scene in the first 1 to 2 seconds, then reveal the after at the end. Product reviews and recommendations. Show a product in action, give a quick overview, and state why it's a must-have or not. Engage viewer with unique products or unexpected reviews. These are popular with niches like beauty, tech, fashion, and gadgets. Educational, informative snippets. Share brief but fascinating facts or knowledge bites. This could be things like 5 fun facts about space or 3 tips for productivity. Storytelling with captions. Use captions to convey a relatable story. Add some background music, show expressions, and use text to tell a short, engaging story. This could include embarrassing moments, funny anecdotes, or inspiring tales. Part 2. Filming tips. Hook them in the first few seconds. Open with the most exciting part to grab attention immediately. Add a hook title, like, "You won't believe this," or "Here's the trick." Focus on good lighting. Natural light works best, but if unavailable, use a ring light or soft lights. Make sure the lighting is even, without harsh shadows on your face or the subject. Use a tripod or stabilizer. Stable footage keeps viewer from feeling disoriented. Tripods, handheld stabilizers, or even placing your phone on a steady surface can work wonders. Mind your framing. Keep the main subject, you or your product, centered and in focus. Pay attention to the background and remove any distracting elements. Capture in portrait mode. Shorts and TikTok videos are optimized for a 9:16 aspect ratio, vertical. Shooting horizontally can make cropping tricky and lessen the visual quality. Part 3. Editing tips for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Choose the right editing app. TikTok has an in-app editor that's great for quick cuts, adding effects, and text. For more control, apps like CapCut, InShot, or Adobe Premiere Rush offer additional tools like filters, color grading, and overlays. Add music and sound effects. Both TikTok and YouTube have licensed music libraries. Choose trending music that matches the mood of your video. Use sound effects to highlight certain actions or make punchlines funnier. Sound effects can be found within most editing apps or online libraries. Add text and captions. Add captions to engage viewer who may watch without sound. Place the text high enough on the screen, avoiding overlap with TikTok or YouTube's interface elements. Use bold, readable fonts, and consider adding emojis to make the text more engaging. Use effects, but sparingly. TikTok's in-app effects, like green screen or clone, can add uniqueness. For YouTube Shorts, subtle color grading or filters enhance the footage without overwhelming it. For transitions, quick cuts, jump cuts, and zooms help maintain energy and flow. Speed adjustments. Speeding up actions, like cooking steps or crafting, saves time and maintains viewer attention. For slower scenes, like nature shots or emotional storytelling, use a slight slow motion effect. Transitions use fun, engaging transitions to keep the video dynamic. Some examples include quick cuts to skip from one scene to the next without delay. Smooth transitions, like swiping or zooming in, for storytelling videos or routines. Experiment with filters and color grading. Enhance visual appeal with slight adjustments to contrast, brightness, and saturation. Avoid overuse of filters. Keep the look natural, especially for tutorials and reviews. Part 4. Posting tips. Optimize the first frame, thumbnail. YouTube allows you to set a custom thumbnail, so choose a frame that grabs attention. For TikTok, the video cover is essential. Use a frame that's eye-catching and gives a hint of what the video's about. Write a captivating caption and use hashtags on TikTok. Keep captions short and intriguing. Add relevant hashtags to increase visibility. YouTube Shorts allows more text, so include relevant keywords. Post consistently. The more consistent you are, the more likely your videos will be discovered. Analyze which times and days your audience is most active, and try to post during those windows. Engage with comments. Respond to comments, answer questions, and even use comments for future video ideas. Analyze your metrics. Use TikTok analytics and YouTube Shorts insights to see which videos perform well. Pay attention to watch time, views, and likes, and refine your strategy based on audience preferences.